Want to add your own design to a dress in Photoshop? Here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, select the Quick Selection tool and make a selection on the dress. Press Ctrl and J to copy the selected part to a new layer. Drag your design texture into the canvas. Now resize it and make sure it covers the dress. Right-click the design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode to Multiply. Double-click the design texture layer to open blending options. Then hold Alt and drag the right slider under underlying layer to the left. This splits the slider and helps the design blend more naturally with the dress. Click OK. And that's it. You've just added a custom design onto a dress in Photoshop. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.